Guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to transfer cryptocurrency from a Coinbase account over to PayPal. First, open the Coinbase app. Since we are sending cryptocurrency, select the send option. You need to choose a cryptocurrency that is supported on PayPal, and for this example, I will use Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin, and then you will need to get the Bitcoin wallet address from PayPal to paste into Coinbase. So head back to your home screen and open up PayPal. In your PayPal account, you should see your crypto balance at the top. If it is not there, scroll down to the Finance tab and select Crypto. Choose Bitcoin, then tap the transfer button, which looks like two arrows pointing in website direction. Since we are receiving Bitcoin, select Receive. This will display your Bitcoin wallet address. Copy that address. Now go back to Coinbase and paste the wallet address into the recipient field, then click Continue. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, for example $30 worth of Bitcoin. Then click Preview. You will see the transaction details, including the recipient address, the fee, the total amount, and the estimated transfer time, which is usually around 30 minutes. If everything looks correct, click Send Now at the bottom. And that's it. You have successfully transferred Bitcoin from Coinbase to PayPal. I hope this video was helpful in walking you through the process. If it was, consider subscribing to the channel and I will see you in the next one.